Okay, Sprint. All set for Bestie Day?
You bet I am.
Do you have your list of bestie fun?
Here.
Ooh, let's see what's on the schedule. We've got running, bounding, leaping, ooh, frolicking. And later, we'll get some ice cream and read stories. But first, we picnic.
Yeah!
Oh no, did you hear that, Sprint? That sound can only mean one thing. Sniffles season is starting.
Oh, no.
That means the clinic will soon be packed with sniffly animals.
The bestie day.
I hate to say it. Until sniffle season is over, all of my attention is going to have to be on animals that are sick.
Huh?
Enchantimals, we're besties forever.
I promise we'll celebrate Bestie Day once sniffle season is over. Now, what should we do first? I need to make a list. We better stock up on Feel Better ice cream.
Ice cream.
I need to make a list of everything we need and get more hospital supplies for all the sniffly creatures. Oh no! Sprint! Did you get the sniffles too?
Big time.
Let's get you snuggled up in a nice, comfy bed. Now, don't you worry. I'm going to take good care of you. I know what you need. Some Feel Better ice cream. How are you feeling, Sprint?
Sprint, Twist and I heard you weren't feeling well, so we brought you some flowers.
Aw, that is so sweet of you two.
It looks like sniffle season is starting early this year.
I know. And Sprint and I had a bestie day all planned.
Anything we can do to help out, Danessa?
Well, I am running low on Feel Better ice cream. Think you could pop over to the ice cream truck and pick some up from the penguins?
Oh, of course. Twist and I wouldn't mind. Would we, Twist? Twist? Oh, no! Twist!
She must have caught whatever Sprint has. Well, I know just what to do. You two need some rest and plenty of Feel Better ice cream. There you go. You two take it easy. I'll be back in a flash.
Sounds good as new.
Hey, Prina, Jayla. Danessa sent me for more Feel Better ice cream. Sprint and Twist both have the sniffles, so make it extra Feel Bettery if you can.
You got it.
Hey, what's with the tiny bell?
Oh, that's just to attract customers.
Does it work?
Well, you're here.
Oh, true, but I'm the only one. Your ice cream is so good, there should be a line all the way to the Babbling Brook. Tell you what, you whip me up a scoop of carrot ice cream for the road, and after I drop this off at the animal clinic, I'll come back here to give your sound system some oomph.
Oh, that sounds like a big job.
And they all lived happily ever after. The end. Oh my. We haven't read these in a long time. Oh, they're so dusty. You know, I haven't heard either of you sneeze for a while. I think all of this bed rest is making you better. Oh no, still sneezy. Well then, how about some more pillows? And more ice cream. Oh no, Caper, you two? You need snuggles and ice cream stat.
There. I filled your truck with all kinds of noise-making whatchamajigs and tune them to make the perfect ice cream sound. Jayla, give it a ring. Okay. Oh, that was weird. Try it again. What is that sound?
I don't know, but it doesn't really make me want to eat ice cream.
Okay, it didn't attract customers, but it did attract something, which means we're getting close. Okay, done. Hit it.
Aw, poor Danessa. She's been working so hard.
Who needs ice cream?
Danessa, you need a break. Why don't you let me keep an eye on our besties for a while?
Sage, you're so sweet. But I'm not gonna leave the besties until they're all cured.
They, look pretty cured to me.
Huh? They're not resting in there? They've been faking their sniffles.
Well, I'm marching right in there and telling them the party's over.
Hang on. I have another idea. Up and at 'em! Wake up, wake up, wake up! I was reading through my medical books and realized that you guys do not have the sniffles. You have the super sniffles.
That will be it.
Lucky for you, I read all about how to cure super sniffles. We need to get your hearts pumping. First up, let's all head outside for 90 minutes of early morning jumping jacks.
Huh?
Okay, doctor's orders. Let's jump, jump, jump. Okay, great job, you guys. Oh, I bet you're tired. Well, let's all head inside for a rest.
Very good.
Huh?
Hey, guys. So Danessa asked me to take away your mattresses.
The firm support is supposed to be great for super sniffles. The fan is great for cooling down your sniffle fevers.
You got them to re-roof the clinic?
Mm-hmm. I told them that the high altitude would be good for them. Okay, I know those last sniffle cures weren't exactly the most fun. But this next cure is something we know you'll love.
Who wants ice cream?
What is this?
It's veggie mush ice cream, a special blend of boiled celery and creamed corn. It'll cure your sniffles in no time.
No, please, we're fine. We're not sick.
Nothing at all.
Wait, you're not really sick?
No.
You made it all up?
Yes.
Yeah, we know.
We know.
Oh, we.
Apology accepted. Achoo!
Oh, no, Danessa. You got the sniffles. Well, what are you waiting for? Get down to the penguin truck and bring her some feel-better ice cream.
Okay, I think we finally got it. Give it a try, Jayla.
That's the original bell ring.
No, it's not. Listen. Yeah, that's totally the original bell ring. I'm sorry, guys. I feel like I let you down. Yes! I did it!